I feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh, feel like I can fly. I feel so alive. Oh.
Happy birthday, anak. This is your second birthday. And natutuwa kami na lahat na ito magagawa namin para sa iyo. At lahat gagawin namin para sa iyo. At nagpapasalamat kami kay Lord kasi pinapakay kanyang maayos, na healthy, na hindi kami natatakot ni Mami na if ever magkasakit kay alam namin nandiyan si Lord. Kaya anak, lumaki ka sana may takot sa Diyos at maging mabuting anak ka sa amin ni Mami. Lagi mong susundin si Mami, sa tatay na andito lang kami sa iyo, lagi nakasupport. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
So alive. I feel so alive. Oh, feel like I can fly. I feel so alive. Oh, find me in the clouds, never coming down. I just can't stop, don't know how. 'Cause I feel so alive. I feel so alive.
Anak, happy birthday. Alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal ni tatay. Lahat gagawin namin para sa'yo. Ang hiling lang namin, ang lagi namin wini-wish, pinipray sa'yo, lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, hindi makakalimot sa Kanya, at maging maayos yung buhay mo, at maging successful ka. Alam mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal.
So, happy birthday, anak. This is your day, this is your big day.
Love you.
Love you.
Wanna shine, 'cause I feel so alive. I feel so alive. Oh, feel like I can fly. I feel so alive. Oh, find me in the clouds, never coming down. I just can't stop, don't know how.
Sana lumaki kang mabait, may takot sa Diyos at matalino.
Happy birthday, Saint! Ang wish ni Ninang sa'yo ay, syempre, good health. Yan, kalakasan ng katawan. Kasi pag healthy si baby, happy si mommy.
Happy birthday, Zay!
I love you.